Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess here. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, you're welcome. I do have videos, lifestyle videos, and videos about my faith, and currently videos about university life. And so today's video, as you can see in the title, we are trying to survive. College life is not easy if you do not have money, to be honest. That's my own perspective. I don't know about yours or about your child's. So I tried to see how much I can spend in college. One thing about me, I'm that person who rarely spends. So I know I can even use 1,000 for even 2 months, to be honest, yes. Because I don't impulse buy. I hate spending. I take time to even just buy something for myself. And so I decided to do this budget with 1,000 bob to see just how much I can stretch in school in using money. And so yeah, it's not really easy if you are used to spending, and how much I spend in college. And so I decided to do this video just at the time when I didn't have a lot of food stuff. That's the period when a lot of things are done in the house, and so you have to go shopping. And so I started this challenge on Friday. Today's on Monday, and on Friday I bought 1 kg of corn flour, that is 70 shillings. I bought tomatoes, 10 shillings, and I got change for 20 shillings. I'll have a video about how I budget. And so there's some things that I can't talk about them now, but I'll talk about them later. And then that same Friday dinner, I have my notebook here, so I'm reading. And so that Friday dinner, I had ugali and fish, which I didn't buy. The ugali is the 1 kg of flour that I bought that same day, but the fish I didn't buy because my friend gave me some because she had excess. We need such friends in our lives, period. So yeah, I also ate ugali, fish, and kales from the landlord's farm. Our landlord has a farm that has kales and some vegetables, which he himself does not stay here, so he rarely uses. But the caretaker around uses sometimes. But he's a gentleman, he's an old man. They don't cook, period. And so I took some of the kales, and they were so nice, guys. And I ate for dinner that Friday. And the morning Saturday, I ate the same remains of the previous day. And Saturday I went for shopping, and here is my receipt. Accountability, guys. My father taught me this, and I thank God for him, because I could be such a spendthrift person. So I bought pasta 500 grams, that was 110 bob. Jogo maize flour 2 kg, 127 bob. I bought Magunas Pakistan rice 2 kg, 150, and spaghetti 2 packets, 90 shillings. I also got tissue, that was 50 bob, and in total I spent 627 bob. 627 shillings. I also went to the market and bought broccoli. One broccoli was 50 shillings. I think that's the only thing I got from the market, because I was under a budget for this video. And so yeah, on that I had a written budget. I didn't stick to it, because when I went to the market, I went with my friend, which I also realized I get to spend more when I've gone with someone else to the market. But I just spent that 50 extra shillings for buying the broccoli, which wasn't in my budget. Yeah, so that's the only thing that was extra for me. And I bought it because I want to try it. I've never tried broccoli, but I'm gonna try it. And so anything new, I was worth it. And out of 1,000 bob, I total had a balance of 180 bob, because I also used fare. I do walk to town, and then when I'm coming back, because I have goods, I take a matatu. So I spent 40 shillings on fare. And so yeah, that was total balance. I had 180. Sunday morning and lunchtime, I had ripe bananas again from the landlord's shamba. Some landlords here are so lazy. Damn, they have very nice, beautiful bananas. They were ripe on top of the banana tree, and so we plucked some with my friend again. Friends in crime, yes, because we took them without permission. Why? But they later took it down. The landlord's son came and took them down, but at least we had taken some. And kales, I ate bananas and kales. I don't know what kind of combination that is, but it works for me, as long as I satisfy my tummy. So yeah, and Sunday dinner, I also had kales and rice. The kales from the landlord's shamba again, so it worked for me too. that's it about Sunday. And today on Monday breakfast, I didn't have breakfast, but now lunchtime I'm going to have the remaining kales from last dinner, and I had one piece of one egg that I had from so long time ago. So for me, budgeting is so easy for me because I don't eat the 3 meals in a day, and that's the things that I bought that is in this list, they're going even to stay for me, to work for me even 1 month, even for more than 1 month, depending on how I eat, because it's simple. College life is not so expensive life. I don't know how, if you're a college student and you eat expensive. I'm not that kind of a person. I'm just a limit girl. I don't spend that much. So yeah, for me, 1,000 bob budget, to be honest, can work for me even for a month, as long as I have the essentials, and that means the carbohydrate stuff, starchy stuff that you buy in the supermarket. I rarely eat bread, so I don't buy bread. I only buy bread when maybe most of the things are done in the house and I don't want to go to the market again. That's when I'll buy bread. Otherwise, that's it for me for this video. It's really a short video. I wanted to see how much I can stretch with just 1,000 bob for a college student, and for me, because I don't spend, I've said I can stay even for 1 month with, as long as you have the essentials. And then this change, the 180 bob, the change that you have is for buying the everyday burger, cabbage 10 shillings. I don't really use tomatoes because, again, it's not really necessary for me. I can eat food without tomatoes. I wasn't raised up with tomatoes, okay? So yes, as long as I have the essentials, I can survive. But that time when I say I'm broke, it's the time when all these essentials are done, and you can't eat vegetables alone. So the remaining change, I just buy the everyday vegetables, and I can even spend, like, let me say, even at most 50 shillings in a week, so I can survive for that long for just 1k. That is $10, guys. I'm a survivor. I'm that girl, So yeah, guys, for me it's so simple. Comment down below what you think about budgeting, especially if you're a college student. How much do you use for shopping? For a whole semester, for example, the maximum I can use in just exclusively food, it can be at most 5k. That is $50. So comment down below how much you can use. For me, if a semester is like 3 months, and let's say 2 to 3 weeks, yeah, I can survive with 5k, and that is $50. I don't know about you, people are so different. For me, I'm a survivor, and I'll keep saying that I'm a survivor and that I'm a strong girl. I don't eat that much. And I don't buy food outside. That is one thing about me. I cannot buy food outside when I know I can cook for myself, and when the food is in the house, unless if the shopping is over and I have to go to town again, and maybe you just have that little money, and then you go buy food. And eat. That one I can. But just any otherwise, as long as I have food in the house and I can cook, I'll go and cook. No matter, even if I hate cooking, I'll do it for my hunger purposes and for not spending. When it comes to money, yeah, I can do anything just to save. And the normal buying things like fruits, I don't buy fruits, guys. I know it doesn't make sense, but it's because fruits are expensive. Actually, they are expensive for me, and I cannot afford to buy them, and so I can do without them. But I can eat vegetables. Vegetables are cheaper than fruits. That's how things are sold nowadays. So and when I only eat fruits, especially avocado, avocado, the sweet hearts of avocado, I can eat that more when I go to the village, because you don't buy. That's the beauty of the village. I maximize myself when I go there. I eat and eat and eat, like village life. I really wish I could just stay in the countryside forever, but we gotta work and look for some cash money. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you've got from this video. I don't know, to be personal, but I just wanted to document this journey of me eating, and for obviously the remaining days and forever, I'm going to use the 180 bob remaining shillings to buy the everyday vegetables, or like githeri and cabbage are my favorite combinations. Tell me down below which food is your favorite and gives you appetite. For me, if I mix githeri, that is rice and rice, oh gosh, that is beans and maize together, and I add cabbage in it, is a perfect meal for me, because it gives me appetite to the brim. So thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you think, and I'll see you on my next one. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and bye.